Hiya! I'm about to go out and this is my DIY supermarket shopping OOTD. Accessories checklist, goggles, gloves, hazmat suit, high-vis jacket, shopping bag. What do I have inside my shopping bag? Loads of tote bags, shopping list, fruit sacks for your fruits and veggies, neck wallet for my credit card, easy access for my credit card, wipes and tissues, and of course, alcohol. You have to spray before you touch the pushcart handle or anything you want to touch. And the most special weapon I have to fight the virus, my mask. This is special because it has headband for my sweaty forehead. Top it with another layer of face mask. To complete the ensemble. Have a safe shopping!